Good morning, guys, and welcome to the weekend edition. Might do a couple this weekend. We'll see how we go. But some housekeeping first. So this is not financial advice, obviously. Like and subscribe to the video if you haven't already. It really helps. Don't forget to join our Discord group. All the links are in the bottom. We'll be launching a website pretty soon, maybe within the next week. Our group is growing really fast, which is fantastic. So welcome to all the new people and thanks for joining. But what you should be doing is making sure you come and introduce yourself in the Zoom where we trade together. We share trade ideas. We help each other with our risk management, as risk management is the only way to pass prop firm challenges. And that's what I like to do most is prop firm challenges. So speaking of prop firm challenges, Bitfunded has their BOGO again. This time you get obviously you get your buy one challenge, you get a free challenge, and they're also chucking in this week an extra $500 instant funded challenge. So that's a pretty cool deal. It does require risk management. So if you get one of those challenges, come and sit in the Zoom room with me and we'll go through the risk management and how to pass those challenges. All right, let's have a look at Bitcoin high time frame review. And we can see on the weekly, it's hardly moved all week. So that's what I wanted to highlight today. We've got a couple of days left for them to make a push up or head further down or go sideways, but we want to see some action before the end of this week and a little bit more of a green body candle to take out some of this vector. That would be awesome. So what's stopping us at the moment is this 4-hour supply. So as you can see, we've pushed up into it overnight last night or yesterday evening for me. And then USA market has just kind of gone sideways and come back and played around. But yeah, hopefully we can push through this supply this weekend. If not, to the downside, we've got a good demand at 59.60. So hopefully that's going to hold. You can see last weekend, this was last weekend's trading, and it was just absolute chop. So we had that at demand. Are we going to get chop at supply again? Be careful. Apply your risk management. No one will pass funded challenges not using risk management. You need to protect your capital. So come and jump in Zoom, like I said, and I'm happy to go through each of your trades with you. 1 hour, same thing. We're at high time frame supply. We're pushing into it. You can see we've wicked through it. We've had a look. We've retested the underside and rejected. So we're kind of in a bit of a chop range here, and we have been for a couple of days now, straight through here. You can win and lose accounts in this sort of condition, so be careful. I've got a bit of bullish pressure on the 1 hour, so I'd like to see it push up into supply and break through. 15-minute, you can see we're trending. We're moving higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. It's just trending so far. We're stacking demands and taking out supplies. So we are moving in an upwards direction, but very slowly. Is it going to turn around here and start taking out demands? I need to see a supply form inside this range. But for now, we're trading in here. This is what we're trading. We can only trade what's in front of us. We've got bullish pressure happening. So there's more buyers than sellers at the moment. But it's just slowly moving up. I'd expect to pull back down. Don't jump in too early or use a scalp. Just take a small trade, see how it's going to work for you. Once we get some structure breakage to the upside, we can add to it. All right. So these are all the things that we go through in the Zoom room. Anyone that's in the Discord is welcome to come and join in. You'll find the Zoom link in there, and more than welcome. And I encourage everyone to do it. Like I said, we're going to be launching a website, so that'll have a lot more details about the group on it. But when you do join the Discord group, just jump into the welcome channel and you see what we're all about. So anyway, we'll have a quick squeeze at Ethereum while we're here. And we can see on the 4 hour, it's right in the middle of the range here. But unlike Bitcoin, it's formed a demand in the middle of the range that it's created when it dropped the other week. Or last week. So it's made a high, it's made a lower high. That's about all. But for now, it's ranging. So be pretty careful with your selection here. You're right in the middle of the targets or the liquidity. This is where the liquidity is being formed. There's liquidity to the downside, liquidity to the upside. There's a little vector here. Expect a wick through there, and to get the liquidity out of that candle. The 1 hour, it's the same, but the best part is now it's sitting on demand, so we might not have to wait too long for an entry. It's yeah, if you wanted to go long from here now, you've got to have a pretty deep short. So that's too big for our system, way too big, but you can always take a scout. 15-minute, again, in the middle of the range. Just be careful. You can go either way. Liquidity's loaded to the upside, loaded to the downside. We'll see what plans they've got for us. Other than that, I don't have too much. And like I said, I'll be sitting in the Zoom all weekend. So come and hang out. Say good day. If you're new to the group, come and introduce yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have yourself, oh, what did I do there? That's not cool. Have yourself a lovely day. Enjoy the weekend, and we will see you soon.